Hi everyone, today we will discuss about terminology of psychiatric. Affect, the observable express of emotion, example flat, blunted and label. Allogia means poverty of speech or speech contents, means poverty of speech or speech contents, and hedonia means inability to experience pleasure. Who cannot experience the pleasure is known as the anhedonia. Next, apathy, lack of interest, enthusiasm, or conscience. Means when a person is not getting interest, anything, enthusiasm, or the concern of anything is known as the apathy. Anxiety, a vague, diffuse feeling of apprehensions or unease. When a person gets the specific things they are getting anxiety is known as the anxiety. Catatonia, marked psychomotor disturbance, example stupor, rigidity, posturing. Next, circumstantiality means excessive details and delay in getting the points. It means if you are asking a questions like what is your name, the patient will give the answer, but they will ask about so many questions. That's why are you want to know my name, like that's what, who are you, like that they will give the answer, but they will round it like the questions and getting late. After that they will give the answer. Clang association, rhyming or punning speech with no logical connection. They will give the answer, but there no logical connection. If you are asking what is your name, they will give the answer, my age is 34. There is no connection, logical connection. Compulsion, repetitive ritualistic behavior driven by the anxiety. Confabulation, filling in memory gaps with fabricated details. Means if you are asking a question, so what you did last year, they will tell, then suddenly they forgot some things, they will add it by their own and they will make the story and they will tell the answer. This is known as the confabulations. Delusion, false belief firmly held despite contradictory evidence. Means false beliefs, like say, if you are asking this, if you are telling that this is a car, this is a car, but they will not accept it. They will see that this is an aeroplane. This is known as the delusion. Depersonalization means feeling detached from one's body or self. Derealization, feeling that the environment is unreal. Dyskinesia means involuntary repetitive body movements, often from medications. Echolalia, automatic repetition of another's words. Like if you are telling hi, they will also tell hi, hi, hi. They will tell and repeatedly they will tell. Echopraxia means imitation of another's movements. If you are showing like moving your hands and telling hi, they will also move their hands and telling hi, and repetitively they are doing the same things, is known as the echopraxia. Flight of ideas. Flight of idea means a rapid shifting of topics in conversations. Means if you are talking like world map, you are talking, they will go to another things like what is the main animals, or they will go with the birds, jungles, everything they will tell except that. And grandiosity, exalted belief in one's importance or abilities. Hallucinations, perception without external stimuli like auditory, visual, etc. Like they are getting noise or they are seeing something, but in the reality there is nothing. The voice is not there, and also something they are seeing, this is also not there. Ideas of reference, belief that unrelated events are about oneself is known as ideas of reference. Illusion, misperception of a real external stimuli, like there in the table there is a blanket, but the those who are in suffering from the illusions, they will see this is a bed or left of something. They will see insights, awareness and understandings of one's condition. Judgments means ability to make considered decisions. Losing of association means disorganized thinking with illogical connection. Mania, abnormally elevated mood with increased activity. Mood, pervasive and sustained emotional state. Mutism, absence of speech despite apparent awareness. Neologism, inventing new words with idiosyncratic meanings. Neologism means a person will make new words, but in this word there is no meaning. Like A D C, they will make B C B C C D. They will make these new words, but in the reality there is no meaning of these words. Obsessions, intrusive, unwanted, recurrent thoughts. In this situation, obsessions means some people are getting unwanted or recurrent thoughts. Paranoia. Paranoia means irritational distrust or suspicious of others. Perseverance means persistent repetition of a word, phrase or idea. Phobia. Phobia means persistent irritational fear of specific object or the situations, like a person getting fear of the fish, and if you are showing them fish, they will get the fear on the fish. This is a specific fear. Like posturing, voluntary assumption of inappropriate or bizarre postures. Pressured speech, rapid and frenzied speech that is difficult to interrupt. Psychomotor agitation, excessive motor activity associated with anxiety. Psychosis, what is meant by the psychosis? Loss of contact with reality. Delusions, hallucinations. Somatic delusion, false beliefs about body function or structure. Stupor, state of unresponsiveness with eyes open. Suicidal ideation, thoughts about self-harm or suicide. Tardive dyskinesia, involuntary movements due to long-term antipsychotic use. Tangentiality, responses that veer off topic without returning. Thought blocking, sudden halt in train of thoughts. Means if you are talking, if the patient is talking fluently, suddenly they are totally blank out of the situation. This is known as the thought blocking. They are talking like that and suddenly they stopped, they forget everything. After that they will start, after sometimes they will start. This is known as the thought blocking. Thought broadcasting, believe that one's thoughts are being shared. Means when a patient will think about anything or seeing like a program, they will thought that their thoughts are being broadcasting. Thought insertion. Thought insertion means believe that thoughts are being placed into one's mind. Thought withdrawal, believe that thoughts are being removed from one's mind. Verbalizations means meaningless repetition of words or phrases. Waxy flexibility, limbs remain in a position placed by examiner. Word salad, incoherent mixture of words and phrases. Transference, patient projects feelings for others onto the therapist. Counterference means therapist emotional entanglement with the patients. Thank you everyone. We will see in the next video.